Yes, you're most welcome to this lesson. I am Charles Modawa, your teacher of ICT. I am a teacher at Swakule Kimwiri currently for the last 5 years, teaching computer studies and ICT. I want to welcome you to this morning lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to look at this practical number that you can see on my screen here. We are going to look at how to type, and then after that we shall do these instructions as you can see here. For example here, the question is telling us that the stock sandwiching of all the boys in town, the most forward in singing nonsensical verse, was always the same. So you read it up to the end, okay, so that you capture what you're supposed to do. Now I've already done the typing of this, so I expect that you can also type it. Here is my document that I've already typed. I hope you can see it very well. Okay, now they are telling us in question 1, when you look here, what are we supposed to do? That type the text below using an appropriate word processing program. I expect that all of us know how to open a word processing program or application. Now, what you're supposed to do, if the application is not pinned here, you can see mine is pinned here, you can come and you search for it and you'll be able to get it. Now, since we have already typed our document here, looking at the instruction, that copy, the first one is saying that copy and paste this document to the next page. Yes, so we come here and we highlight our work. Okay, you right click, okay, right click, that is copy, and then you press Ctrl enter, it takes you to the next page, and then I Ctrl V, it makes my work pasted here on the second page. I think I have finished that first instruction. Then here it is telling us that change the heading to uppercase. Okay, we go back to our document and we change the heading to uppercase. So this is the one, the heading which we are supposed to change to uppercase. And when you come here, you can see sentence case, uppercase. This is what we are looking for, so press uppercase, and then you got the next instruction here, font Comic Sans MS font, change the heading to uppercase, font Comic Sans. So the heading still is the one that we are changing. So you come, this is where you look for the font. Okay, by default it has Calibri body, but we are looking for font Comic Sans. So Comic, you just type it in case it is there, enter. All right, so we continue, underline it with any dotted line and font size 13. So they are telling us to underline the same heading. Always everything should be highlighted. So the underlines or the lines are always found here. So look for the dotted lines and then you press. Okay. Then the next one, they are telling us that we change the font size to 13. So we come here, we come to our document here, and we change the font size 13. When you don't find it here, just type it there and enter. Thank you. Then the next instruction on our document here, they're telling us to justify the whole document. Justify the whole document. Okay. Now here you can see justify, but I can still say Control J. Okay. And so my work is justified. Then here telling us that change the line spacing for paragraph 1 to 1.5. That is line spacing. So go to our work. Here we change the line spacing here to 1.5. That is it. Proceed. The next instruction, I hope you are following. Create a footnote on the word pacify and should have the statement to calm somebody who is angry. We go back. We say that change the line spacing. We are finished. Sorry. No, was that the second? The next. Sorry about that. We've jumped to one. That drop cap on 2 lines, the letter beginning paragraph 1. So you come to your work. This one here, this is the letter we are talking of, and then you look for drop cap here in your insert, but drop cap here, and then you move to drop cap options. Then you click on dropped, and then you come down here, you say the 2 lines, set them. Good. And if there is no instruction there, you click OK. That is what they wanted. Following the next, it is telling us create a footnote. A footnote, you still move down here. This is the word they are talking about. Okay, so we highlight it. After highlighting, we move to preferences and you click insert footnote. It takes you automatically down here where they are telling us to write this word to calm somebody who is angry. To calm somebody who is angry. To calm somebody who is angry. Okay, you put it in those quotes. Boys, this one don't always put it as a footer. You've seen the steps I've used. I've gone to preferences and I've got footnotes. Okay, the next instruction, your name and personal number should appear as footer and in italics. So my name. I'm saying we insert footer. Okay, footer is here. You can put you can put any of these ones. You can put any of these. They have said we write my name. My name is Mudawa Charles Emmanuel. That is my footer. So you can see that the footnote, you can close here. You can see that the footnote is different from the footer. When you check down here, members, you can see the footnote is not the footer. Okay, maybe let me change its color. Maybe you cannot see it very well. Good. You see, they are different. So don't always mistake a footnote to be a footer. They have also said that this same name should be in italics. When you click home, you will see this I. It represents italics. So also you can go to your keyboard and you press Ctrl I. You can see it has changed. Alright. The next instruction here is telling us, oh, we have forgotten the personal number. We can go and put the personal number. For example, my personal number can be 00987. That is my personal number, not a telephone number. Then the name Hans Christian Andersen should be crossed through. You come down here, then you go to your document here where we have the name here. This one is the one that talking about. We want it crossed through. Alright, our document is there. So we highlight it. After highlighting, you come here where you're seeing strike through. Okay, this is crossing something out by drawing a line through it. So you click on it. Very good. The next instruction here on our practical number, highlight the word scheme with color yellow. Highlight, that is a skill. Highlight, highlight. What are we highlighting? The word scheme. So we look for the word scheme here. Have you seen it? Yes, I'm here already. So I highlight it, then look for the highlighter. Like in the Bible, when you read the Bible, a certain chapter and verse, and you want to make reference to it, you highlight it. So we are also doing the same. Have they talked about the color? Yes, color yellow. So you click on it, look for the color, and then move on. Okay, I hope you are following, members. I don't want to leave you behind. If I leave you behind, this video is already uploaded. Please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. But the second last instruction, save this document as prose. The skill here is learning how to save. So you can come just here, okay, and you save. Right. Even when you click save, file, you can say save. Right. It's good to browse. They've said we give it a name, prose. So prose. Okay. put the quotes there the way they want them. Please always follow instructions of the examiner. Right, and we save. Okay, I'm putting it. You can see where I'm picking my work. I look out for my folder for my YouTube. I click on that one and now click open. Right, then I save. Then I save my work. Just a minute. Just a minute. Right. I've saved my work as pros. Lastly, print your work. Printing your work, you simply come here and look for print, and you'll be able to print your work. Okay, you can see it brings for you this menu whereby you can be able to select what you want to print out. This is where you check for the printers that are installed in case they are there. Okay, if they are not there, you will not be able to print out. Then here, we have not talked about the number of copies. Please, this is where you change from. Okay, thank you for attending this lesson. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I remain Charles Mudawa. May God bless you so much.